Hi everyone, welcome to my channel PCA Tuition Cikgu Ahmad. Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to solve this equation. 3x plus 2 equals 14. Let's break it down. Let's break it down step by step. And I promise by the end you will feel like a math pro. Step 1. Our goal is to find the value of x. See the value of x, the mystery number that makes this equation true. Step 2, we see 3x plus 2 equals 14. Let's get rid of the positive 2 on the left side, which is this. To do that, we do the opposite of plus 2, which is minus 2. All right? So what we are going to do is, I will write again, 3x plus 2 minus 2 equals 14 minus 2. That gives us, you see, minus this. Positive 2 minus 2 is 0. So on the other side also 14 minus 2 gives us 3x equals 12. Step 3. Now we have 3x equals 12. That means 3 times something equals 12. To find x, this x, we divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. On this side by 3. Here also by 3. So x, 3x divided by 3 equals to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So that is it. So let's check out the answer. You plug x equals 4 back into the original equation. So I do it on the right. Okay, I put this on the right here just to check. So which means that 3, you put 4 here. Yeah, yeah, you put it back here. Plus 2 equals 12 plus 2 equals 14. Yes, equals 14 here. Yes, it works. So the answer is x equals 4. Easy, right? Keep practicing and algebra will become your superpower. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more math tips. See you in the next video. Bye.